Ranjani and welcome back to my YouTube channel Nursing Digipedia. So today we are going to learn about a very interesting topic, and that is how to interpret ABG by using tic-tac-toe method. This video will help you to interpret ABG very easily. So watch this video till the end so that you do not miss any of the points. So now, what is ABG? ABG, it stands for arterial blood gas. It is a blood test where we see especially the three parameters of blood, and those are, the first one is pH. The pH shows how much your blood is acidotic or alkalotic. The second one is HCO3 or bicarbonate, and it represents the metabolic. And the third one is PCO2 or carbon dioxide, and it represents the respiratory. So now, how this ABG is done? ABG is usually done with a very fine needle and syringe which is heparinized, and a small blood is drawn from the radial artery, and also sometimes a femoral artery is also used, which is located in the groin region. Before we go ahead with the interpretation, we have to know the normal values in order to interpret ABG. First, we have the pH. So normal value is 7.35 to 7.45. Anything below 7.35 is acidic, and anything above 7.45 is alkalotic. Second one is HCO3 or bicarbonate, which represents the metabolic, and the normal range is 22 to 26. So anything above 26 is alkalotic and below 22 is acidotic. The third one is PCO2 or carbon dioxide, which represents your respiratory, and the normal range is 35 to 45. So just remember, in a very easiest way, I have written all the acidotic values on my right hand side and all the alkalotic value on my left hand side. So I have just flipped the number for carbon dioxide. So this 45 falls on the acidotic column, so it's easy to remember. So now let's first know what is tic-tac-toe method. So we as a kid have played this game tic-tac-toe, where we used to make a grid and then someone would write X and the other person O. So basically a person has to get a same letter 3 in a row or in the same column, so that person would get tic-tac-toe. So now here we are not using this X and O, but we are using all the three parameters to analyze the ABG using this tic-tac-toe method. Now let's look into a few examples. The first one is a patient is having a pH of 7.56, bicarbonate 20, and PCO2 is 20. So pH 7.56, it is coming in the alkalotic side. So we are writing pH in the alkalotic grid. Bicarbonate is 20 and it is coming below 22, which is under acidic column. So we are writing bicarbonate in the acidic grid. And the last one is PCO2, that is 20, and it is coming below 35, which is in the alkalotic side. So we are writing PCO2 in the alkalotic column. So now we got 3 in a row, we got tic-tac-toe. So we write there is alkalosis going on, which is originating from the respiratory side. So we write respiratory alkalosis. We still have bicarbonate, which is in the acid side, and we know there is a compensation going on, because if this bicarbonate would have been in the normal grade, then there is no compensation going on, but it is in the acidic grade. So we write this is compensated. So this is compensated respiratory alkalosis. Okay, now we see another example where we have pH of 7.32. So we have pH 7.32, which is below 7.35, and it falls in acidic column. So we are writing 7.32 pH in the acidic side. We have bicarbonate 26, which is normal. So we are writing bicarbonate in the normal grade. So here goes the bicarbonate. We still have PCO2, which is 48. So that is above 45. So it comes in the acidic side. So we are writing PCO2 in the acidotic column. So we got 3 in a row, tic-tac-toe, and we can conclude that there is acidosis going on. So this is originating from the respiratory side. So we write this is respiratory acidosis. Bicarbonate is in the normal grade, so there is no compensation going on. So we conclude that this is uncompensated respiratory acidosis. Similarly, let's now look into example 3 and 4. We have pH of 7.30 and bicarbonate 20 and PCO2 32. So pH is 7.30 means it is coming below 7.35. It is in the acidotic side. So we are writing pH in the acidotic side. pH. Bicarbonate we are having 20. So it is below 22. So it is also falling in the acidotic side. So we are writing bicarbonate in the acidic side. The last one is PCO2, which is 32, and it is coming below 35, which is in the alkalotic column. So we are writing PCO2 in the alkalotic side. So now we got 3 in a row, tic-tac-toe. So we can conclude that there is acidosis going on, which is originating from the metabolic side, that is the bicarbonate. So we write metabolic acidosis. There is a compensation going on because our respiratory or the carbon dioxide is in the alkalotic side. So we write this is a compensation going on. So it is compensated metabolic acidosis. Now let's look into example 4, where we have a pH of 7.47. So pH is 7.47, means it is above 7.45, which is in the alkalotic side. So we write pH in the alkalotic column. Bicarbonate is 28, normal is 22 to 26, so it's above 26, falling under alkalotic column. So we are writing bicarbonate in the alkalotic column. We still have carbon dioxide, which is 40, and it is coming in between 35 to 45, which is normal. So we are writing carbon dioxide in the normal grade. So we got the tic-tac-toe. Hence, we can conclude that there is alkalosis going on, which is originating from the metabolic side. So we write it is metabolic alkalosis. We still have carbon dioxide, and which is in the normal column. So there is no compensation going on. So we conclude it is uncompensated metabolic alkalosis. This is the tic-tac-toe method through which we can interpret ABG very easily. In this video, we have learned how to interpret ABG, whether it is uncompensated or compensated. In the next video, I will cover how to interpret ABG, whether it is partially compensated or fully compensated. So friends, I hope this video was useful to you. Please share your opinions in the comment section, and like, share and subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. So till then, stay safe and stay healthy. Bye-bye.